Hello everybody, welcome to our exam. Now in this video we are going to start with the previous year questions from various acts that are relevant for phase 2. So we'll be discussing criminal law in this video, previous year questions that came in 2020 and 2022 from criminal law, CrPC, IPC and evidence. In phase 2 you have three parts: criminal law, corporate law and securities law. In the upcoming videos, we'll be discussing questions that have already come from these areas in the past recruitments. The syllabus, the pattern has changed, yet whatever questions came are relevant and we'll try to understand, we'll try to discuss them to see what has been considered important in the earlier recruitments. Starting with the first question from IPC, what are the kinds of punishment which are provided under IPC? Death penalty, imprisonment, life imprisonment, capital punishment, death penalty, life imprisonment, simple rigorous imprisonment, fine, forfeiture of property, C and D. Correct answer here is E, C and D. If I recall, options were a little bit different. Death penalty, life imprisonment, simple or rigorous imprisonment, death penalty, life imprisonment, simple imprisonment, labor, servitude, these were also included in the options. So you have to remember what are the kinds of punishment that are provided under IPC. There are 5 kinds of punishment: death, life imprisonment, simple rigorous imprisonment, fine, forfeiture of property, given under section number 53 of IPC. Question number 2. If the offence be punishable with imprisonment as well as fine, in case of default of payment of fine, the court may direct imprisonment for a term which is. Correct answer here is B, 1/4 of the term of imprisonment which is maximum fixed for the offence. तो अगर फाइन पे नहीं किया है तो 1/4 एडिशनल इम्प्रिजमेंट दी जा सकती है. सेक्शन 64, 65 of IPC talk about it. Question number 3. A woman has thrown acid on a man and that man has gone to the hospital, but the hospital refused to admit the man. What will the scenario in this case be? The correct answer here is option number C. Hospital will be liable to punishment under IPC. This is derived from section number 166B of IPC. There, any person who goes to the hospital and if refused treatment, in that case, hospital will be liable. Question number 4. A obtains property from Z by saying, your child is in hands of my gang and will be put to death unless you send rupees 1 lakh. In this situation, which of the following offence has been committed? Correct answer here is B. Extortion has been committed here. This is illustration which is provided under section 390 of IPC, which distinguishes robbery and extortion very clearly. Robbery will include either theft or extortion, and the illustration clearly says it is not robbery, it is extortion and will be punishable as such. Question number 5. The thief, in order to steal something, creeps after sunset into a ship at a porthole between decks and then leaves before sunrise. He has committed. Correct answer is C, housebreaking by night. He has committed housebreaking after sunset, before sunrise shows by night. It's housebreaking because he has crept into a ship at a porthole. This is as per section number 445, 446 of IPC. There is a mention of the word vessel, which includes a ship as well. Usually when we talk about house trespass, housebreaking, students think it is talking about any building, any house, office property, while the word there mentioned is vessel, which also includes a ship. So these were all the questions from IPC. Now moving to CrPC, which of the following options talk about a cognizable offence, where a police officer can arrest without warrant. During the pendency of trial, bail application can be moved before concerned magistrate. Victim can only make a complaint to magistrate. A and C, A and B. Correct answer here is E. A and B talks about cognizable offence. Cognizable offence is an offence in which the police officer, as per the first schedule or under any other law for the time being in force, can arrest the convict without a warrant and can start an investigation without the permission of the court. Question number 7. How many criminal courts are constituted under CrPC? 5, 4, 3, 6, 2. Correct answer here is B, 4. 4 criminal courts are constituted under CrPC. Court of Session, Judicial Magistrate of First Class, and in Metropolitan Areas, Metropolitan Magistrate, Judicial Magistrate of Second Class, and Executive Magistrate. Question number 8. What is the age of juvenile offender as provided under CrPC? Correct answer here is A, 16 years. This is as per section number 27 of CrPC. Question number 9. Arrest in cognizable cases can be made without warrant, made with warrant only, made with warrant for offence above 7 years, made without warrant for offences trivial in nature, none of the above. Answer is A. In cognizable cases, arrest can be made without warrant. This is as per section number 151 of CrPC. Question number 10. Court need not frame charges in which of the cases? The correct answer here is the summary trials. Actually, correct answer should be both D and E. So, the court need not frame charges in summon procedure case and summary trials. This is given under section number 251 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Now moving to question number 11. A session court requires permission of High Court to pass sentence of death penalty, life imprisonment with hard labor, rigorous imprisonment, having punishment of death. The correct answer here is A, death penalty. This is given as per section number 366. Sentence of death to be submitted by the Court of Session for confirmation by the High Court. Question number 12. Under CrPC, if it is found out that wrong court has decided the suit, what will happen to the order passed by the court? The correct answer here is D. Order shall not be set aside unless it happens that such error has caused failure of justice. So unless there is failure of justice, the order will stand. This is given under section number 462 of CrPC. Now that's all from CrPC. Moving to evidence. Confession in front of police officer when it is valid. The correct answer here is D. It is valid if it is in the presence of magistrate. So we know that confession in front of a police officer is not valid, but वो valid हो जाता है when it is in the presence of a magistrate. Then it becomes judicial confession. This is as per section number 25 of Indian Evidence Act. Moving to question 14. The court shall take judicial notice of certain facts. Which of the following facts is not included? So judicial notice of which of the facts cannot be taken? Correct answer here is E. All are included. This is given in section number 57 of the Evidence Act. उसमें आपको list मिल जाएगी of all the facts of which the court shall take judicial notice. All of them are included in that. Moving to next question, 15. Certified copy of a document is an evidence. If yes, then which type of evidence is this? It is not an evidence, certified evidence, oral evidence, primary, secondary. Correct answer here is E. The certified copy of a document is considered as a secondary evidence. As per section number 63 of the Evidence Act, this is secondary evidence. Then question number 16. Can a dumb person be a witness? Correct answer is option E. Yes, dumb person can be a witness as per section number 119 of the Indian Evidence Act. So this question could be slightly different. How a dumb person can be a witness? So these were all the areas from which question came from criminal law and evidence. In the next video, we'll be discussing securities law and then we'll move to companies law and we'll try to see what all questions have already come. Stay tuned to this channel. We also have a lot of courses for preparation for various government exams in the legal field. If you are interested, you can check out our courses. You can also call us on this number to know about the courses, to know about the offerings in the courses. Our exam helps you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.